Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Sentra oil light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the trip reset button, usually near your odometer or on the instrument panel. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds until the oil light begins to flash or resets. This common method works for many Nissan Sentra models, quickly clearing the service reminder. For many newer Nissan Sentra models, you'll use the steering wheel controls to navigate the dashboard display. Scroll through the menu until you reach Settings, then select Maintenance. From there, choose Oil and Filter or Oil Control System and confirm the reset when prompted. This digital method is common in more recent vehicles, offering a clear way to clear the service reminder after an oil change. If the oil light doesn't reset after trying these methods, consult your Nissan Sentra's owner's manual. It provides model-specific instructions that can be crucial. Also, double-check that your oil change was completed correctly and the oil level is appropriate. For some older models, you might need to turn the ignition on and depress the gas pedal 3 times slowly to reset the light. Maintaining your Nissan Sentra with regular oil changes is crucial for its engine's health and longevity. Always adhere to your vehicle's recommended service schedule, which is usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. This ensures optimal performance and prevents costly repairs down the line. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping up with maintenance keeps your car running smoothly for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.